the older generation, this is the iPad Air, the old one, the 10.5-inch display, and then this is the 10.2-inch 7th generation iPad.
Okay.
Really, the only difference between, like, say, the 7th gen and the 8th gen is the 8th gen uses their A14 Bionic that they have in the 12s.
I see.
And it's kind of like it's more of like a square setup, how they kind of have with they don't really have the rounded edges. Everything's kind of square. It's mainly the processor, though. It's any difference in the display.
Okay, so the processor is improved in the 8th.
In the 8th generation one. Yeah.
So otherwise, it's the same, like
More or less, yeah. I mean, like small improvements in like the camera, but I know a lot of people don't use the camera on the tablet.
Yeah, on the tablet. I mean, generally. So, what is something like? How do you? I mean, with the phone. I mean, why would somebody want to have a tablet? You know.
Really, the only, well, not the only reason. There's a lot of benefits for the tablet. So like it depends on the user. So if you're playing like a lot of games and you want like a bigger screen size, or maybe you're going on a trip or something like that, and you want a bigger screen for like movies, like Netflix or shows or something like that, then the tablet could be great. Some people even use the tablets for like from a business perspective too, because you can hook the keyboards up to them and stuff.
Right.
So you can use like Microsoft Word or like Excel or stuff like that. Yeah.
And so how do you compare it with the other Android tablets out there?
So to be honest, as far as tablets go, personal opinion, I think that iPads are the best tablet. I don't think Samsung comes close in terms of like how the tablet functions or just like overall reliability.
It's just the reliability is the key.